We can now start the first part of this course. First, we will learn the differences between a region and an availability zone. Later on, we will see the advantage of regions and how they are spread around the world. We'll also look at IAM, that stands for Identity and Access Management. It will show us how to manage users, the access to resources, and the security strategies. And then we'll study AC2, Elastic Cloud Computing, the tool the most used by all companies and developers working with Amazon Web Services. AC2 allows users to manage resources, services, integration, and the network. It is the most popular tool when using Amazon Web Services.